Welcome to day 1 of Breath and Stillness, a 3-day path to inner calm. I'm Carly. Today we're focusing on the circular breath technique, a practical tool to bring calm and stillness into your day. This practice can be done anywhere and anytime to help center yourself. You simply inhale slowly through your nose, and you want to almost think about bypassing your chest and taking the breath straight to the stomach. Because something that happens when you're not practiced in breath is we tend to keep it in our shoulders, meaning when you inhale, your shoulders lift and come up. And that is a way to signal to your nervous system that you're in tension. So right now, can you take your left hand and put it across and rest it on top of your right shoulder? Or you can do the opposite side as well. Or you can just stand in front of a mirror and take an inhale and notice if your shoulders move. So we're trying to keep your shoulders still. A great way to do that is in your mind, imagine you're not breathing into your chest. You're just breathing into your stomach. And in diaphragmic breath, as your diaphragm contracts, your stomach expands. And so this is a way to take the breath deeply and keep your shoulders relaxed. So try this with me now. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Take the breath straight down to your stomach. A nice, deep, gentle inhale. And on your exhale, extend it a little bit longer out your mouth. And then when you're inhaling through the nose, you want to focus your attention on the felt sense of the breath coming in your nose. And when you're breathing out your mouth, you want to focus on the sensations of letting go, of relaxing. Let's try that right now. Inhale deeply through your nose, all the way to your stomach. Shoulders stay relaxed. And then exhale slowly out your mouth, feeling the sensations of letting go. Beautiful. Now this time we're going to add in a noise, an audible sigh as you exhale out your mouth, as you feel the tension leaving your body. This sigh sound is important. It signals your vagus nerve to relax, and you will notice a difference. There's 2 ways you can make that sound. You can keep it deep in the back of your throat like a vibration, or it can be a more expressed sound. So a vibration example would be or a more expressed open sound, maybe something like either is fine. So let's practice that together now. Inhale deeply through your nose. And as you exhale, sigh. Inhale deeply through your nose. One last time. It doesn't matter what it sounds like, but you do want to create a sound on that exhale. Notice how that releases tension. Notice how the awareness of your body has increased. Your ability to recognize the immediate value of a practice increases your ability to stick to it and build the habit. Throughout your day today, I encourage you to find 3 moments to practice these 3 circular breaths. Tomorrow, we'll add another breathing technique and affirmations to deepen your practice. Thank you for sharing your valuable time with me, and I hope that you have found some value from this session. Tomorrow is going to be even better. See you then.